December 5th, 1945. The coast of Florida. 5 Navy planes leave the airport. The sun is shining. The sea is calm. The pilots are happy. They say, "See you in 2 hours." But they never come back.
Hello, and welcome to Learn English and More. My name is Emma.
And I am Tom. Today we have a mystery story. A very famous mystery.
Today we look at the Bermuda Triangle. Are you ready?
Let's go.
So, Tom, what is the Bermuda Triangle?
Good question. The Bermuda Triangle is a part of the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. It is between 3 places: Florida, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda.
3 places. So, 3 points. Like a triangle.
Exactly. That is why we call it the triangle.
And why is it famous?
Because in this place, ships and planes sometimes disappear.
Wait, disappear? Let me explain. To disappear means to go away, to not be there anymore. You cannot find it, you cannot see it. It is just gone.
Yes, disappear is the perfect word. For 100 years, ships and planes have gone into the Bermuda Triangle and disappeared.
No bodies? No pieces? Nothing?
Sometimes nothing. That is why people call it a mystery.
A mystery is a story we cannot understand. A question with no answer, right?
Right. Now, let me tell you the most famous story. Listen carefully.
December 5th, 1945. The American Navy. Florida. 5 planes. They call them Flight 19. 14 pilots. The mission is simple. Fly east, practice, come back. At 2 o'clock, the planes go up into the sky. The weather is good. The men are smiling. But after 1 hour, something strange happens. The leader of Flight 19 calls the airport. He sounds afraid. He says, "We cannot see land. Everything looks wrong. Even the ocean does not look like the ocean." The airport tries to help. They send messages, but the radio is not clear. The voices come and go. Then, silence. 5 planes, 14 men, gone.
And here is the strangest part of the story.
What?
The Navy sends another plane, a big rescue plane, to find Flight 19.
And
That plane disappears too. 13 more men, gone in a few minutes.
so, in one day, 6 planes, 27 people, just disappeared?
Yes, and nobody found them. Not the planes, not the pilots, nothing.
That is so sad. And so strange.
Flight 19 is the most famous story, but it is not the only one. There are many others. Big ships disappeared, small boats disappeared, other planes disappeared. For 100 years.
So, what do people think? Why does this happen?
This is where it becomes interesting. People have many ideas. Some are crazy, some are scientific. Let me tell you.
Yes, please.
Some people say, aliens, UFOs from space. They take the ships and planes.
Aliens? Really?
Yes, some people really believe this. Other people say, a lost city under the ocean, a magic city called Atlantis. They say Atlantis pulls the ships down.
These are stories, like fairy tales.
Yes, exactly. They are legends. A legend is an old story, maybe true, maybe not true.
Legend. A new word. An old story that people tell, but we are not sure if it is real.
But now, scientists have other ideas, real scientific ideas.
Like what?
First, the weather. The Bermuda Triangle has very strange weather. Big storms come fast. The sky becomes black in 5 minutes. Small boats cannot escape.
Storms. So that is one reason.
Yes. Second, the ocean. In this place, the ocean is very deep, very, very deep. So when a ship sinks, it goes down, and we never find it again.
Like a grave at the bottom of the sea.
Yes. And third, something called methane gas from the bottom of the ocean. Sometimes, big bubbles of gas come up from the seafloor. They make the water light. Ships can sink very fast.
So, maybe it is not a mystery?
Maybe. Many scientists say the Bermuda Triangle is not really special. Many ships and planes disappear in many places, not just here. We just remember this place because of the famous stories.
So science explains some things, but not everything.
Exactly. Maybe the truth is between two worlds. Some things have answers. Some things still feel like magic.
Now, my friend, let's play a game.
A game? I love games.
Yes, it is called Could You Survive the Bermuda Triangle? Imagine you are a sailor. 3 questions, 3 choices. Listen carefully.
Okay, I'm ready. And you, listening at home, you are ready too.
Question 1. You are on a small boat. Suddenly, the sky becomes black. A big storm is coming. What do you do?
Difficult.
Choice A. You turn around and go home fast. Choice B. You stop the boat and wait. Choice C. You keep going. You are brave. What is your answer?
I think A. Go home fast.
You are right. Real sailors say, when you see a storm coming, go back. Always. The sea is stronger than you. To survive, to stay alive, you must respect the ocean. Survive. A new word. To survive means to stay alive in a difficult situation.
Question 2, please.
Okay. You are flying a small plane. Your radio stops working. The compass, the thing that shows north, also stops. What do you do?
No radio, no compass. Wow.
Choice A. You fly higher to see better. Choice B. You fly lower to see the ocean. Choice C. You stop the engine and wait. What is your answer?
I think A. Fly higher.
Almost right. Pilots say, fly higher and try to see the sun. The sun helps you find direction. East is where the sun comes up. West is where it goes down. With the sun, you are never lost.
The sun is like a map.
Yes, a natural map. Last question, the most important one.
Okay, I'm listening.
You are alone in a small lifeboat, in the middle of the ocean. No food, no phone. What is the most important thing to do? Choice A, swim. Try to find land. Choice B, stay calm and wait. Choice C, shout for help very loud all day.
A is dangerous. C will make you tired. So, B.
Perfect. The number 1 rule is stay calm. Do not panic. To panic means to feel very scared and to do something stupid. People who panic die. People who stay calm, they survive. Calm body, calm mind. Drink small water. Wait for help. This is how you survive.
So the secret is not your body, not your boat. It is your mind.
Yes, the strongest sailor is not the one with the best boat. It is the one with the calmest heart.
Beautiful. So, my friend at home, how many did you get right? Tell us in the comments below.
Okay, my friend, let us remember today's new words. Repeat with me, slowly.
Mystery, a story we cannot understand.
Disappear, to go away, to not be there.
Triangle, a shape with 3 points.
Ocean, a very big sea.
Storm, strong wind, heavy rain, dark sky.
Legend, an old story, maybe true, maybe not.
Mystery, one more time, mystery.
Wonderful. Now use these words tomorrow. Make them your friends.
So, my friend, That was the Bermuda Triangle. Real stories, real mystery, and maybe real science.
If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe. It helps us very much.
Next week, a new story, a new place, a new mystery.
Until then, keep listening, keep learning.
See you soon!
Goodbye.